Alright guys, so I'm back on a pink Cadillac here, and today today I'm going to complete the wiring. I do have a wire that's going to go from the battery hot, which I just realized I dropped in that. New week, still dropping things. Anyways, where we are, so the pulley on the new alternator generator, whatever you want to call it, is smaller than the old one, and normally, you know, the fan on the alternator and the pulley are separate, but I was going to go pull this, and I realized that it's, oh wait, no. It's either this, one of them, I don't remember which one it was. One of them, the fan and the pulley are the same piece, like it's just one solid piece. I think this one is two pieces. I think the generator that was on it is the one solid piece, where the fan and the pulley are the same. Anyways, I'm fully extended there. I have no more room for movement, as you can see, and we still have a lot of play in the belt, so I'm going to try to go with a half-inch or inch shorter belt and see how that goes, because we definitely need a shorter belt. So right now I'm going to work on the wiring. We did have AutoZone bring a belt, but who knows. The belt they brought was a 55, but it definitely was not a 55-inch belt. But yeah, we'll see. And my light died. Alright, well, that's it, guys.